When you look at retirement portfolios, there are two things that matter more than anything else: reliable income and preservation of capital. Most retirees aren't trying to swing for the fences anymore. They're trying to create a portfolio that pays the bills, grows modestly over time, and doesn't introduce unnecessary volatility. That's the lens anyone who is planning to live off these income ETFs should use when evaluating any high-yield ETF. In this video, I'm going to share 5 income ETFs that pay reliable income and do a great job of protecting your capital. Steady cash flow without taking unnecessary risks. These are the kinds of positions you can hold long-term without the constant anxiety or micromanaging that comes with riskier funds. The first fund we are looking at is the NEOS Nasdaq 100 High Income ETF, ticker symbol QQQI. The fund takes a fairly disciplined options overlay approach built on the Nasdaq 100. Even after the volatility we saw earlier in the year, the total return is still positive, around 14.14%. That's really impressive. If a fund can stay positive in a choppy environment while paying consistent income, that's exactly the type of behavior retirees want. The fund pays out about a 14% annual distribution yield with a very steady monthly distribution. It uses a combination of covered calls plus selective out-of-the-money call purchases. Think of it as a more actively managed version of QYLD, but with more intention behind where premium is generated. Put $10,000 in this, and based on the current yield, you'd be looking at roughly $1,400 per year in income, paid monthly. That's the kind of structure retirees actually benefit from. The next fund we are looking at is GPIX, the Goldman Sachs S&P 500 Premium Income ETF. This one isn't trying to shock you with a 50% yield or promise unrealistic income. Instead, it's taking a much more measured approach, an options-enhanced income strategy built on high-quality U.S. large caps. And even in the volatility we've had this year, GPIX has held its ground. The total return year-to-date sits at a comfortable 12.12%, and the fund hasn't shown the kind of violent swings you see in ultra-high-yield ETFs like a ULTY. All-time, the fund is up about 31.62% on price alone, and has consistently paid 33 cents in distributions since 2023 when it was launched. That's an annual distribution yield of around 8%. Not flashy, not extreme, but stable. And that stability actually matters. When a fund pushes yields into the 50 to 100% range, that almost always comes at the cost of NAV erosion. GPIX avoids that trap by keeping the payout sustainable. The fund applies a disciplined option overlay on top of blue chip equities. Think of it as income generation without sacrificing long-term compounding. Less aggressive than the typical high-yield space, but far more durable. Put $10,000 into GPIX, and at the current yield, you're looking at roughly $800 per year in income, while keeping more of your underlying capital intact. For retirees, or anyone focused on steady, sustainable cash flow, this is exactly the kind of behavior you want from your income fund. Next up, we have the Amplify CWP Growth and Income ETF, ticker symbol QDVO. This isn't a play for sky-high yield without caution. It's a hybrid strategy. Large cap growth equities, plus tactical covered call income overlay. If you're looking for income and capital appreciation without chasing outrageous payouts, this fund fits the bill. The fund has a year-to-date total return of about 17.41%, and all-time it's up around 15%. It offers a distribution yield of about 10%. The yield has been increasing steadily this year, while distributions remain monthly and reasonably consistent. The expense ratio is a moderate 0.55%, so you're not paying an excessive fee for the manager's work. The strategy is clear: buy high-quality growth stocks and write calls tactically to generate extra income, rather than just overwriting everything and sacrificing upside. If you invested $10,000 at the current yield, you'd be collecting roughly $1,000 a year in income, while still maintaining exposure to the growth side of the portfolio. For a retirement portfolio, that's the kind of structure you want. Income you can count on, plus upside you can still participate in. Next up, we have another one from NEOS. This is the NEOS S&P 500 High Income ETF, ticker symbol SPYI. SPYI takes the S&P 500, one of the most stable, well-diversified benchmarks on Earth, and layers on an option strategy that generates income without straying too far from the index itself. The fund has delivered an impressive 12% total return year to date, a number that keeps it remarkably close to plain vanilla S&P 500 ETFs like VOO or SPY, even after paying out massive distributions. What makes it stand out is the 12% distribution yield paired with modest but positive NAV growth. The payouts are rock steady month after month thanks to a simple disciplined strategy, selling call spreads on the S&P 500 index itself. This structure harvests option premium efficiently without the wild swings or decay you see in many high-yield funds. This is one of the rare income ETFs you can genuinely build a retirement paycheck around. It's anchored to the same S&P 500 that millions of retirees already trust and understand, except it hands you far more cash flow, so you don't need a seven-figure portfolio to generate meaningful, consistent monthly income that can actually support your lifestyle in retirement. Put $10,000 into this fund, and at the current 12% distribution rate, you'll collect about $1,200 a year or $100 every single month in reliable cash flow. That's real, spendable retirement income, the kind that shows up on the same day each month, no matter what the market does, and actually moves the needle on your lifestyle without forcing you to sell shares or pray for growth. Lastly, we have the Roundhill Magnificent 7 Covered Call ETF, ticker symbol MAGY. Launched in 2025, the fund is still relatively new, but it earns its spot on this list because, so far, it has delivered the highest payouts with surprisingly strong total returns. The fund holds the 7 mega-cap tech giants Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, and Tesla. And, through a fund-of-funds structure, the fund writes weekly covered calls on the basket. Weekly option sales are powerful. They smooth out cash flow dramatically and give the manager far more chances to harvest premium than monthly strategies do. Performance so far has been eye-opening. A 22% total return year to date, the strongest on our entire list. The fund offers a 30% annual distribution yield, paid weekly. So that is about $2,500 per year on a $10,000 investment. Yes, that's the highest payout you'll find in this group, but it comes with the expected trade-off, concentration risk. You're writing just 7 names, the most volatile and most loved stocks on the planet. That means bigger swings than a broad market fund, and in a sharp tech pullback, the fund will feel it more than the others. Still, the price has held up remarkably well since launch, and the NAV today is still a bit higher than at inception, even after paying out that monster yield. This fund isn't for the faint of heart or for your entire portfolio, but if you're comfortable with mega cap tech and want the richest weekly income stream available from a covered call strategy, this fund is currently delivering exactly that, and doing it better than almost anything else in the category. And there you have it, 5 income ETFs that actually deliver what most high-yield funds only promise: real monthly or weekly cash flow, strong total returns, and enough stability that you can check your account without your stomach dropping every time the market hiccups. These aren't perfect, and none of them will turn $10,000 into $100,000 overnight. But they're built on proven indexes, transparent strategies, and payouts you can actually count on month after month, year after year. Remember, slow and steady is what actually builds wealth. The funds flashing 50%, 80%, or 100% yields are almost always quietly returning your own capital or sitting on a leverage powder keg. History is brutal to yield chasers. Just ask anyone who loaded up on Tesla, Coney, or the latest weekly income disaster that's already down 30% in 2 weeks. Real retirement income doesn't come from gambling on the hottest options gimmick. It comes from owning great companies or great indexes, collecting consistent distributions, and letting time and compounding do the heavy lifting. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ETF deep dive. And let me know down below, do you own any of these funds? As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.